everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipe ideas, gardening and growing your own food, along with finding joy in the ordinary like me, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every week. Okay, let's get started with today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how my garden has been doing so far this season. This will be a 10-week full update on all of my plants, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first plant that I started my series with is my green bean plant, and I did already do a full update on this plant, so if you haven't seen that yet, go ahead and check that out on my channel as well. I'm just showing you guys here basically the end of my plant's life cycle. These were the last few beans that I picked off of here. I did get 2 cycles of beans this year, so I did harvest from this plant twice, and it's pretty much done now, and I'm going to be transitioning something into that container for my fall garden. Okay, and next is my cucumber plant. So I did have a bit of trouble with this cucumber plant. I mentioned that in my cucumber update video a few weeks back. Basically, it was really hot and humid, and while I was at work, there wasn't enough water for the plant, so I did have some yellowing happening, but I still managed to harvest quite a few cucumbers off of this. I'm just showing you guys here one of the cucumbers that I harvested. As you guys can see, they grew in really thick and green, and they tasted so delicious. Next, I am showing here my pepper plant. This plant is probably doing the best in my garden out of all my plants. It is really flourishing, it's so green, and it won't be long now before I can harvest and eat these peppers. They will ripen into a yellow pepper, but you can also choose to pluck your peppers at any point, depending on if you want it to be a green pepper. Simply pluck the pepper before it ripens into its yellow color. Next, I'm going to show you guys really quickly my jalapeno plant because this is doing amazing as well. As you can see here, I have tons of jalapenos growing on there. I love using jalapenos in my stir fries or with any Mexican inspired dishes, from fajitas to quesadillas and so much more. I'm definitely going to be harvesting these soon, and I'm going to be doing a pickling video, so stay tuned for that on my channel as well. Quick pickled jalapenos. And next, moving on to the tomato plant. I've got quite a few tomatoes on this plant. I'm just waiting for them to ripen and turn red. And next I have here my eggplant. This is actually doing really well. It's been so cool to see how it's grown and how much it has changed. It's really grown out pretty large, as you guys can see, and I do have quite a few eggplants popping up. I am so excited to harvest these and make a baba ganoush dip along with many other things. And now we're moving on to the kale plant. I did do a kale update and recipe video on my channel a couple weeks ago, so if you haven't seen that yet, be sure to go back and check it out as well. But yeah, my kale is doing really well for being a cool weather crop. As most people know, kale does really well in the cooler weather, but I have actually managed to grow it in the summer here by simply putting it in an area that gets morning sun and afternoon shade. So whenever the heat comes, it's definitely shaded, and that really helps to grow the kale really well in the summertime. I am going to be planting my kale again for a fall harvest as well. And last, we have my herbs here, which I showed you guys just last week, planting it from seed to now. There's not much difference between last week's video to now, as you guys can see. It's doing really well, and my basil is growing so well. I'm going to be trimming off of that and making some homemade pesto soon. I'm so excited to try that. Well, that's it for this video today. I hope if you guys enjoyed this 10-week garden update, you will leave me a comment below, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.